Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be showing a casserole dish which is very easy to make and you can prepare for lunch, dinner or any party.
So you're slicing the turkey ham. You said it's a surprise breakfast, am I correct? Peas. Mama, peas! Frozen peas, Mama! No! 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 What is that, Mama? Is that from yesterday? What are you gonna do?
For this recipe I have taken few bread slices left over, this cut off the side. I took 2 cubes of the frozen spinach, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomatoes and few slices of turkey ham cut into pieces. Here I am taking 6 eggs. I'm checking one by one. I do that. Yeah. And salt and pepper. I have taken 4 slices of sandwich bread and putting everything I chopped into the egg mixture, and I will give it a good mix. Before spreading over the bread, I have taken 1 tablespoon of olive oil and spread it over. I have a brush but I don't want to use one more thing, so I use the spoon. Now adding some oregano in both the dishes, in some egg mixture as well. So 1 small teaspoon of oregano, and this is here I am using 1 small teaspoon of Italian mix herb. Now I spread the bread, 1 whole and 1 cut in half for the both corners, and I'll put the egg mixture on it. Yesterday I made some sandwiches and the outside of that bread I don't want to throw it anyway. I want to use them, so I'll put them inside this layer so nobody will know when we can eat it. I'll put some of the egg again inside on this layer and spread another layer of bread. At this point I understood my egg mixture is less in quantity, so I will make 2 more egg. This casserole dish was quite filling. I made this one for a Sunday morning brunch, and it is good for 4 to 5 people with some other small side dishes. It is ready now to put it into the oven. I preheated the oven for 150 degree for 10 minutes. Now I'll put a timer for 25 minutes and I keep the temperature at 170 degrees Celsius. Cleaning up time now. So one thing is very important. I put a cover on the top of the casserole so that it doesn't dry up inside the oven. It's quite longer time. Now I am putting a layer of cheese. I put a little bit inside the bread and a layer on the top level and put it into the oven for 7 to 10 minutes. You keep an eye on it. When you will see the cheese already melted and little golden brown color, take it out and serve it hot.
What were the friends in your room?
Why will you do that?
I know what they do that.
And this. Mama, show them the inside. দেখো
এটাই তো দেখানোর চেষ্টা করছি, তার আগে তো তুই চেঁচালি।
দেখো দেখো। মা দেখো দেখো একটু।
We have come to the end of this recipe. It was a very tasty dish. Give it a try. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye.